Hi everyone, how are you? How is going the week? How is 2022? I hope everything is fine. Today we're going to make the ግራሚግና. Here we have the ingredient sausage and onion. We have the cream and then white wine, olive oil. After that the pasta for ግራሚግና, tomato puree. We just add some olive oil to the pan. We add also the onion and let it simmer for 2 minutes. After that just add the sausage and then let it cook for 5 minutes like this. After that we add some white wine, but it's optional. You can add also red wine and then let it bubble. After that we add the tomato puree we have. Just mix together and then let it cook for 1 hour. In the other hand we have the boiled water and then we add our pasta. Add to the pasta some salt. The salt it's optional. If you don't like, just leave it alone and put little bit. Here is our sauce. After 1 hour it looks nice. We have also our pasta cooked and then we add the sauce over it. Just be generous with the sauce. And then we add also our cooking cream. And then mix together all of it. To that just add some black pepper. Here also optional, or white pepper, or if you don't like, just don't add nothing. Instead you can add also parmigiano reggiano. Here I didn't add parmigiano reggiano. It looks fantastic. I'm just adding the black pepper and then mix it together again. Finally it looks like this. It's very yummy and nice. The classical ግራሚግና. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye.